Inflation is one of the biggest threats to your retirement savings. As prices rise, your purchasing power decreases, and if you're not prepared, it can eat away at your wealth over time. But there's a way to hedge against this by using real assets like precious metals, real estate, and even commodities. In this video, we're going to dive into how you can use these to protect your wealth during retirement and why gold IRAs are one of the best options available to do so. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share a strategy that's helping retirees just like you secure their future. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are real assets? Well, real assets are tangible investments that typically hold their value during inflationary periods. They can include things like gold, silver, real estate, and even farmland. But out of all of these, gold stands out as one of the best options, especially for American retirees. As inflation rises, the value of paper money tends to fall. Gold, on the other hand, has historically kept pace with inflation. It's a store of value that has stood the test of time, unlike other assets that are vulnerable to market fluctuations. That's why thousands of retirees are turning to gold IRAs to protect their hard-earned savings. If you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below to learn why gold IRAs are becoming a top choice for Americans looking to safeguard their financial future. But let's break it down a bit. Why should gold be your go-to hedge against inflation? Well, in times of economic uncertainty, gold tends to rise when the dollar weakens. Whether it's due to rising inflation or geopolitical instability, gold has historically performed well when traditional assets like stocks and bonds aren't doing so hot. So when inflation hits, you won't be stuck watching your savings shrink. Now you might be thinking, what about other assets like real estate or stocks? While real estate can be a good long-term investment, it's not as liquid as gold, and it can be impacted by market cycles. Plus, the cost of owning and maintaining property can be significant, especially during retirement when you might not want to deal with that kind of stress. Stocks are another common inflation hedge, but they're subject to volatility, and during times of economic crisis, stock prices can plummet. Gold IRAs, on the other hand, allow you to take advantage of the benefits of gold while avoiding the risk and complexity of physical storage. With a gold IRA, you can invest in gold, silver, and other precious metals without having to physically own them. This allows your gold to grow in a tax-deferred account, giving you an edge over traditional investments. But here's the key thing. The earlier you act, the better positioned you'll be. Gold is not only a hedge against inflation, but it's also a way to diversify your portfolio and ensure your retirement savings are protected from unpredictable market swings. If you're someone with 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5 plus in savings, a gold IRA is definitely something you should consider. The tax advantages, combined with the security gold offers, make it one of the best ways to prepare for retirement during uncertain economic times. To get started, all you need is a free consultation to understand how to open a gold IRA and transfer your existing retirement savings. The best part? It's completely tailored to your financial situation, and you don't have to worry about navigating the process alone. Click the link in the description below for your free gold IRA guide and consultation. At the end of the day, protecting your wealth from inflation requires more than just traditional investments. You need real assets that stand the test of time, and gold is one of the best options out there. So, if you're serious about securing your future and protecting your retirement savings from inflation, now's the time to make the move. If you're ready to get started, click the link in the description for a free consultation and guide. Whether you have 100K, 500K, or 5 plus, this strategy is perfect for retirees looking to protect their wealth. Don't wait for inflation to take a bigger bite out of your retirement. Take action today.